Okay, so anything if you want to configure in a system, then what is the transaction code?
SPRO.
SPRO. Because we have done the enterprise structure in SPRO only, if you guys remember. Okay, go to the SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, then logistic general, not logistic general, sorry. In materials and management, valuation and account assignment. Here you can see split valuation. Okay, split valuation. Okay, first step is activate the split valuation. Okay, before configuring the split valuation in a system, you have to check whether it is activated in your system or not. If you click on this option, here you can see I have selected this option. Already it is there. Split material valuation activate. Okay, so you can also check in your system. Okay, whenever you are doing the configuration, means if it is activated or not in your system. If it is not activated, you should select the first option and save this. Okay, but I think everybody in all of your system, it is already there. Okay, so configuration step, cancel this. Here you can see global type, global category, and local definition. Before configuring the step, let's take a same example. Okay, let me open a notepad. Example is tire. Okay, so this tire is procured from, means internally they have in-house produce, and external they are procuring. Okay, this is my client requirement. It means in-house they are producing the tire, and also they are buying it from the outside of a company. Okay, and this is according to the procurement type. Procurement type. Okay, in-house and external. So the same example we have seen over here. Okay, according to the procurement type, I am procuring internally and externally. Okay, so this is my material. Okay, material. Okay, so first step is global type. You need to create the global type. Okay, so what global type you are going to create? In-house and external. Okay, so let's create one in-house global type and another one is the external. How you can create? Go to the global type. Here you can see this is the list of global types, valuation type. You can see valuation types which is created in a system. Okay, how you can create it? Click on create button and enter the valuation type. Okay, first valuation is in-house. Okay, so you can enter the in-house. Okay, the valuation type name should be unique. Okay, in-house. Okay, you can give any description, IN underscore HOUSC. Okay, what we can
It
say,
will be in character form only, na?
Yes, in a character form. Okay, so once it is done, then you have to select the second option, attribute. Attributes means external purchase order will be allowed for this valuation type. So you go to this option. So system is asking you in-house material, in-house valuation type. So external purchase order will be created. 0 means no external purchase order. 1 means purchase order will be allowed in a system, but warning issue. And 2 means external order will be allowed. but for just safer side, you just select external purchase order is allowed. So means two you will select. Now the second question is, for this in-house production, internal purchase order will be created or not? So 0 means no, 1 means yes with warning, and 2 means allowed. So you can select the 2 for both of these things. And the main thing is account category reference. Now I'm going to create this material after this configuration tire in material type ROH1. And this ROH1 having what account category reference has been created in a system. How you can check? There is a T code called OMS2. Okay, so here you need to enter the account category reference. But for this tire material, okay, what is the material type I'm going to use? ROH1. So for that ROH1, what is the account category reference has been created in the system? How you will find out? Through OMS2 transaction. Okay, let me open a different screen. Okay, new screen is there. You can see both screen I have. Okay, go to the OMS2, press enter. This. Guys, don't do it simultaneously. First of all, see how I am doing. Okay. OMS2. Click on yes. You can see this is the list of material type which is created in a system. Okay, all list of material type. Find out your material type. I'm going to create under ROH1 only. Okay, so double click on this ROH1. Okay, if you scroll down here, you can find out your account category of this. You can copy from here and paste here in the configuration account category. Where you can find out in OMS2. Okay, enter OMS2, find out your material type, double click on your material type, scroll down, and here you will find out account category. Okay, so this step is done. So you can close this screen. Okay, account category reference. Now in split valuation, no need to save anything. Okay, don't click on save button, click on create button. If you click on create here, you can see what is the pop-up. Valuation type in-house has been created. So copy this in-house and paste it in your in-house. Okay, in-house is created. Now the second thing is external we need to create. Okay, so it is created over here. So let me enter external. Okay, here you can see external. I will select the same option 2 and account category reference will be the same. Okay, click on again create. So external is also created. So two valuation type you have created, internal and external. Okay, so this is done. Global type you have created. Now the second is global categories. Okay, so global categories means according to the procurement type I am creating, according to procurement type you are creating. So you need to create the global category for procurement type. Okay, and in the second step, what you will do? Assign valuation type. Okay, what global type we have created? Internal and external. Okay, so this we are going to do in a second step. Okay, this is done. You can now click on save, go back. Okay, here you can see external you have created and internal you have created, in-house you have created. You can see now it is showing in your list. Okay, go back, and now it's time to create the global category. Okay, here you can see global category is there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. So same alphabet you cannot use. Okay, so click on create. You can give any valuation category over here. Okay, let me give 5 number, and the description will be procurement type according to the procurement TYP. And what you have to do is you have to assign. What is the second step? Assign valuation type. What valuation type you have created? Internal, this, and external over here. Okay, so simple, external and in-house. Okay, 5 number, A, B, C, D, A to Z is already been used, so it should be the unique category name. Okay, and enter the description of valuation category. 5 means procurement type, and assign the valuation type. Simple, whatever you have created in the first step. Simple. So now again click on create. Okay, valuation category 5 has been created. So let me copy this 5, and just for reference purpose, let me copy procurement type also.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, guys, you can ask me the question at the last of this configuration, guys, please. Okay. Yeah. So this is got created, valuation category 5. Okay. Go back. Okay. Here you can see 5 now you are showing in the list, procurement type. And what you have assigned? External and in-house. Now it is showing in your list. Okay. Now save and go back. Now the third step is local definition. What we will do in a local definition? We need to activate split valuation for plant. So this material I am going to create for account category base. If I need 0001, I'm going to create for 1710 plant. So what we will do, we will create the for 1710. How you can do it? Go to the local definition. Okay. If you go to the local definition, you will find the list of plant. Okay, you can see this is the list. How many entries are there? 1 to 551. Means 55 plants are there. So you cannot scroll down. System will not show it to you. You can see I'm scrolling it down, but system is not showing me the list over here. Okay, so from here you need to click. You can see page up and page down. You can see page up and page down. Okay, next page. If you click on next page, here you can see now system is showing me 1710. So single click on this plan because I need to activate the split valuation for 1710 plant. So single click on this plant 1710 and go to the category output. Okay, single click, go to the category output. Okay, here you can see Pro type 2 is already activated. So what you have created? You have created valuation category as a procurement type. You can see procurement type 5 you have created. correct? So how you can activate this? Simple. Select this line, or you can click anywhere in this line and click on activate. You can see now it is activated. Okay, if you want to deactivate this, select this line and click on deactivate. This is deactivate. Okay, here you can see simple click line, deactivate. Everything is deactivated. Select this line for procurement type 5, click on activate. Activated. Okay, now for 1710 plant, this has been activated. Now save this. Now the changes has been done. Go back. Okay, so check one more time. It is activated or not? Yeah, it is activated. 5 you have. Okay, now the steps has been done. Configuration step has been done. Now what you have to do is we have to create the material. Okay, customizing, 2 parties done, customizing done. Now what we will do, we will create one material and activate the split valuation on it. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create a material called tire. Okay, Fashion MM01. Okay, here you can see this is the important step, huh, guys. Material ROH1, correct? Basic data on purchasing and accounting. Organization level. Here you can see, guys, only the plant is asking. Huh? For this material, only the plant is asking. Okay, be careful. Only the plant is asking. Huh? Tire. Enter the agent group unit of measure. Okay, here enter the valuation class, and the most and important thing is how you will activate, how system will know this 5 type on internal external is activated in your system. So at material level, you have to assign this. Okay, procurement type, where in the accounting tab 1, this valuation category. So what valuation categories you have created for 1710 plant? Go to this option. Here you can see system will show it to you. Valuation category 5 you have created, and according to the procurement type is the description. So you need to select this 5. Okay, you can enter any price over here. Okay, now here you can see valuation category 5 is done. Okay, create the material. Material has been created. Okay, but material has been created. This is my material number. This is my material number. But according to the client, the material that they have internally in-house production. So the price is 5,000 rupees. And the purchase which is the tire which is there externally procured, the price is 5,005 rupees. So what I will do, I will extend my material, extend this material to in-house and maintain the prices of 5,000. And what I will do, I will extend my material to the external procurement and maintain the price as of 5,005 rupees. So material has been created, correct? But how can I extend my material? I want to extend my material. What is the transaction code for extending the material?
Same MM01.
MM01 only, correct? So guys, here you can see I'm extending my material. Okay. If you press enter, now system is asking which view you want to extend. I want this view. Go to the organization level, and here you can see, guys, now system is not asking me just plant. System is asking me the valuation type. Why? Because while creating the material master, I have activated the valuation category. And what valuation category I have created? 5. So in that valuation category, what I have assigned, internal and external. So now enter 1710 plant and select the valuation type. So what valuation type you have created in a system? External and in-house. So first of all, I will select external. Here you can see, guys, material is tire. For which plant? 1710. But what is the valuation type? External. Okay. So for external, what is the price? 5005. So you can enter the price 5005. And click on save button. So material has been created. Same what I will do, I will create it for the second type also. Okay. External is done. Now what I will do, I am going to create for in-house production. So here you can see this is already maintained. That's why system is showing you as a X. Okay. Material is tire, 1710 plant, in-house. Enter the valuation class. Enter the price. See. Okay, now your material got extended to the in-house production, and for the external procurement. Now what we will do, we will create a purchase order, do the GR and check the stock. Okay, how you can do this? You can see. Go to the ME21 and enter the material number. Now whenever you are entering the material number, means whenever you are creating a purchase order, okay, enter the price, quantity. This is not my material, I think. What is my material number? This 182. Tire. Now here you can see, guys, while creating the purchase order, okay, so condition type, okay. Here you can see, you go to the delivery tab, and here you need to select the valuation type. You can select whether you are procuring external purchase order or you are creating in-house production. So let me select external only. Okay, external. Okay, material this, tire is this, external valuation type. Okay, save this PO. Purchase order has been created. Then do the MyGo, simple. And whenever you are doing the MyGo, system will also show you the valuation type, external. Check. Okay, you can see I'm getting another posting period only possible for
PO number.
second February. Paste. PO number I have given. Okay. Now the document has posted. Let's check the stock. Check the stock. What system is showing it to you? What iron? Here you can see, guys, in 1710 plant in AA storage location, system is showing you separate stock for external. You can see how much quantity you have created, 10 quantity. If you create another PO and in that purchase order, if you select the valuation category as an in-house and do the GR, and when you check the stock in MMBE, you will get an additional line over here, internal, in-house. And system will show you the in-house quantity over here. Okay, so separate stock you can see, which is also called as batch. You can, okay, valuation, split valuation is nothing but this valuation type is nothing like a batch only. So external batch system is showing and internal batch system is showing to you. Okay. Once you do the configuration, you create a purchase or you create a material master. Okay. And same material master you have to extend for both of the global type, in-house and external, and maintain the price. For both of the global type, you have to do the PO, do the GR, and check the stock in MMB. If it is showing like this, separate batch, the configuration is successful. Okay. Now, my question is, you guys, I have done it for according to the procurement type. If I will take the example according to the country of origin, and suppose the material will be gold, and I want to procure from Italy and France. Okay. So same cycle I want to execute. I want to do the configuration for gold, Italy and France. Okay. Then here, what will be the changes in this step?
You change the locations, places, country name.
Yeah, instead of procurement type, you
Instead
can
of
do
that,
like origin, like maybe the
internal and external,
geographical
you
First of
area.
change
all,
country.
Yeah.
first of all, material will be gold, correct?
Yes.
Gold will be the material. Okay. You can select the yeah, this is a separate part. In the global type, okay, what two global type you are going to create?
Country names, sir.
Yeah,
Country name.
Italy and
Country name.
France.
Entirely any country names. No issue.
Italy, you will create, and for France. Okay, and according to the according to your client, whenever you are booking from Italy, the price is this, and from France, the price is this. Okay, so you will create two valuation type, Italy and France. And according to the in a global category, what accordingly you are creating this global category? I have created according to the procurement type. So in this example, what you are doing according to the country of origin. Okay, so it will be according to country of origin. Correct? Here the number will be, for example, 6, and you can give this short description. Origin. Country. Assign what valuation type you will be, you are going to assign over here. Italy, France. Simple. Activate for 1710 plant. Okay. Once it is done, what you will do? You will create a material under raw material, and once the material has been created, what you will do? You will extend to Italy and maintain the price as a 5,000 rupees. Again, what you will do? Again, you can extend the material to the France and maintain the price as a 5,001. And while creating the purchase order, the valuation type you have to select from Italy and the France. Okay, do the GR and check the stock then. Okay, so you can take any example and execute the cycle. According to the country of origin, you can check in your assignment, or according to the quality. If it is in according to the quality, we have taken the example of a rice, high, medium. Okay, what will be the changes over here? High, high grade, low grade, according to the quality. Correct? So whenever you are creating the material called rice, so you will extend the rice to the high grade and maintain the price, and at a medium grade and maintain this price. The PO, select the valuation type as a medium grade or high grade, do the GR and check the stock. It will be showing in a batch side. Okay, so this is all about the split valuation. Now let me tell you one real-time example where I have actually used this. Okay, so same project, only the Coal India project only. In that project, I have done lots of things. So Actually, there is a process from PM side. PM side means not Prime Minister side. Yeah. Any doubt here?
Pranay?
Yeah.
Yeah. While differentiating, the global categories like maybe internal, external, likewise. So, what if we have more than 5 or 6 categories?
You can add over here actually. Here you can see I have created in a real time. I have created for 3 now. Here you can see
Yeah.
repair system. There is an option called. There is an option here. If you're not able to find out the path, just press Control F. Find out the split valuation with the correct spelling. System will show it to you. The 3 option. Click on this. Yeah, if it is a 2 global type valuation category, actually you can add over here. There is some option actually. 1 minute. You can change, yeah, plus valuation type. Got it? If you want to add something here, you see, select any line, click on change, and click on add valuation type here, plus.
Okay. So we can give our valuation type and we can add the name.
Yes. 3 valuation type. 3, 4, 5, whatever you want, you can give according to the client requirement. In my client requirement, they only need new, repaired, and damage.
What that control? Yeah.
Yeah. To find that, right?
Yes. Could you?
Yeah, that is yeah.
So this is control find only. Control and find. Or you can go the option from here also. You can see find. Go to the find. You can see same option. If you're not able to, sometimes what happens in the configuration, whenever you will do the configuration in real time, sometimes you are not uh, able to remember the path. Where
Yes.
is that option? So what you can do is go to the option and enter the first term over here. Net valuation. System will show it to you. System will take you to that screen. So you can see split valuation. This is the 3 first term over there. You can also get like this. Okay, here you can see it is under material master, valuation accounting account assignment, and a valuation account assignment. Split valuation is okay, guys. So yeah, one thing I need to okay, we'll discuss in the next class only, because right now we have almost continuous configuration session. So what I have decided is we will take one configuration topic, one business process. If I will take direct continuous configuration chapter, you will get confused. Okay, so one configuration topic, one business process, then one business process, then configuration. Okay, but in the next class, okay, we have to take the second configuration, because on the Monday we need to start the release strategy. Okay, once it is done, 2 configuration has been done, so we will take the 1 business process. Okay, contract scheduling agreement, or we can take good receipt part 1, part 2, invoice receipt part 1, part 2. Okay, once the topic 1 business process is done, again we will take 1 configuration. MMF integration is there. Okay. Business partner and material master configuration is there. Okay, so this we are going to take on configuration with business process. Okay.